Hey there! In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a website for your yoga retreat center. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't familiar with Mighty Sites yet, Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how well the platform works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market very quickly. Yoga Retreat Center. There it is over there. There is an option for yoga instructor as well, but for this option, I'm going to be focusing on the retreat center. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sats a few basic details about our yoga retreat center so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name or my retreat center name, as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your yoga retreat center is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue and allow multi sites to work its magic and generate a simple website for us. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality as well, very suitable for your yoga retreat center, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some stunning images of your retreat center and you want to display them on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to that content, you can do that. It's super simple. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how simple it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to make my way to the top and click on the first section. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box, show email on sites. There you go. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our address, our physical location. Let's go ahead and click on save. The great thing about that physical location, that street address, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to update social links. Now, over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons for the platforms will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your multi Sites website. So your customers or students or potential interested parties and coming to the retreat center can see what you're up to, get some engagement going, see what you are doing. Let's click on the next section over here and head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. Also, my logo has been uploaded. However, I want to slightly crop it to fit into the section a little bit better. So I'm going to click on the pencil. Let's go ahead and crop it ever so slightly. You can add filters, you can decorate it, add frames, rotate it, zoom in, etc. Awesome. Let's go ahead and re-upload it, the newly cropped logo. Go ahead and click on save. You can make it bigger and smaller if necessary, but I'm happy with that sizing now. So let's move along. Now, with multi sites as well, we pre selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your yoga retreat center. Maybe these colors don't quite go with your signage throughout your retreat center, your logo, your business cards, and you want to change it. No color coding necessary. Click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. That one's really tranquil and pretty, so I might go ahead and select that one. I can change it at a later stage if need be. Let's head on over to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from. Multi-sites will automatically search for yoga retreat center. You can play around with the keywords a little bit. Let's search for retreat center, or actually, let's just search for retreats. As I said, play around with the terms, the keywords a little bit, and see what images pop up. So I'm going to go ahead and try retreat center now. Of course, we can always just search for yoga as well, but I am playing around with the terms a little bit here. So let's type in yoga and have a look over there. Okay, great. Lots of suitable images here, all really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and select this one for now. Really beautiful, and it goes well with my colors. That actually looks really stunning. I'm now going to head over to update contents. Now over here you can change the title, subtitle to suit your business needs. Button currently says contact us today, which I'm going to go ahead and leave. You can change it. Choose a link. You can link to another website. Maybe you have like a calendar booking website. Otherwise you can link to another part of your multi-sites website. The lead form at the bottom is a great section. I'm going to get to that one in just a second. Otherwise, link to an action, a click to core directions, or click to email. So I'm going to link to click to email. Another great option is to upload a PDF file. Maybe you have your different rates, the different various rooms, accommodation you have on offer. Upload it in PDF format so your potential customers can have a look at it before they book their retreat center visits. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your yoga retreat center came to be, how long it's been running for, who the instructors are. Are you a professional yoga instructor yourself, perhaps? What kind of does your center also offer comfortable accommodation for overnight stays? Is the kitchen perhaps vegetarian or gluten free or organic? I do know that a lot of retreat centers offer vegan and gluten free options. So go ahead and put all the details over here. What activities does your center provide? Is there massage therapy, meditation, nature walks? Go ahead and put all the details here under the About Us section. Your customers would love to know your story and how your retreat center came to be. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more detail, the different services or facilities you offer. How often do you host retreats? Are they available every weekend? How many guests can you accommodate? Are the meals provided for and included? Is there daily yoga sessions, guided meditation, crystal therapy, hiking, grounding? Go ahead and put all the details over here. That all sounds very fabulous. I feel like I need that escape myself. It all sounds very relaxing. Over here, we've now made our way into the lead form at the bottom. Over here, your customers can easily get in touch with you with their queries regarding the retreats. All they need to do is put in their details, click and send, and you will get notified via email that you have a lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the Mighty dashboard, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your retreat center, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, you can add multi-sites as a user and we will connect your domain for you. Now, if you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain. If you understand a domain makes your small business look even more professional, you can now purchase your domain via the multi-sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature. Now, over here, you're in your Marty dashboard. Under this section over here is where you'll find the leads via that form I've just shown you. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your yoga retreat center. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future, any questions regarding the platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. We'd be happy to answer your questions. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the fantastic thing about the Marty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So do click on the link below this video and give it a go.